Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And old man got an air fryer. Love doing air fryer reviews. The TEWELL air fryer. Now, one of the reasons I got this is a lot of people say, hey, bigger capacity. This thing is supposedly 6.8 quarts. So most air fryers are either in the 3 quart range or the 5.8. That's probably the most popular. So when I saw this was 6.8, I said, well, we're going to try this. And a lot of people say, hey, what about more simplistic controls? So this looks like it's got some pretty simplistic controls on it. The only way to find out, folks, let's get her out of the box. All right, there it is out of the box, folks. It is a pretty slick unit, like brushed aluminum, maybe even stainless steel on the front and on the sides. You can see that. And basket comes out, and you got a little flipper thing here to open it. You got a little thing here saying not to use any scouring pads or anything. We'll take that off. Just give you a look-see as to what this is on Amazon. So there it is on Amazon. It is 119 bucks, and they're calling it right there, 6.8 quart. So I guess I'm wondering about that a little bit. You can see it comes with a nice instruction manual. Kind of tells you what to do. And there's a little recipe book. Now, one of the things that intrigued me about this, and the only reason I accepted this, was because they said it was 6.8 quarts. And, you know, I just want to take the basket out here, like that. And we're just going to, just over the side here. And I'm going to get another basket from a 5.8 quart, and let's do some comparisons. So this is from 5.8 quart. So you can see it's a tad bit bigger. I mean, not that much. Hardly. The height, yeah, it's got to beat in height. So maybe 6.8 quart is accurate. It's not going to give you any more of the width and the length, but it's going to give you more height, which could be a difference for, like, if you want to do a whole chicken in there. People talk about doing chickens all the time in them, and this will definitely give you a little bit more height. So that's why I was interested. You know, the next thing to do, folks, let's get it fired up. If you're interested, I tell you what, you know what, you're probably interested in the controls. Take a look at the controls on it. There they are. They're dial controls for those who are saying, hey, I like dial controls. Goes up to 400 degrees, and it's got a timer setting here. And it does the tick, tick, tick thing. So we'll get this thing washed up, and what do I always do? Chicken wings. So we'll do a bunch of chicken wings and let you see it in action. All right, folks, so I washed everything on the inside, a little warm water and soap, and then I did run it for about 5-10 minutes just to burn some of the oils out of there. It's got a variable speed motor in it, which is kind of nice. I set it at 400, and it seems to get hot, and then when the timer goes off, shuts off the unit. Like I said, old school. One thing that I didn't notice here before, and I noticed now, is you got a 90-day money back and a 2-year warranty, lifetime support. So that's, and you got an email, support at TEWELLdirect.com. So that's, I like that a lot. And I'll tell you what, let's take a look at our wings. I had a pack of 10, I stuffed them in. It was probably more comfortable at 8, but got all 10 of them in there. And you know how I love this Morton's Nature Seasoning. So let's get her in there. Got you over there. And goes in like any other. And then we're just going to tick the timer up and go 30 minutes, and it turns on right away. The minute you take it from off to on the timer, and away she goes. And we got her at 400. Give you a couple look-sees. All right, folks, we're about 10 minutes in. As you use something, you learn all the little things. Now you can see this little indentation down below that goes on the sides, and that just makes it easier to pick up and move around. I kind of like that. So let's take a look at our chicken wings. Man, starting to brown up a little bit. As you notice, you take it out, it shuts off, put it back in, and away she goes. Keep on watching. Oh man, look at that, folks. Turned them over, went another 10 minutes. Looking mighty nice. I like to do my chicken wings overdone so they're nice and crispy. So keep on going here. Give you a look-see when they are done. All right, so there's our wings. Oh man, 10 wings, I'll tell you what. It turned out pretty nice. You're asking how long? That was about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more. Impressions, what do I think? I like it. There's one thing though, and I'm gonna go right down here to the handle. The handle, it's a little shaky, and with the weight in there, and I'm sure it's going to be fine. It's just that if there's ever a problem with these type of air fryers, it's in this handle area right there. So I'm hoping, hoping the longevity of this is good. Is it worth it for those of you who want a little bit bigger than 5.8 quart? You want some more simplistic design and controls? I mean, that is about simplistic as you get. And it works and it cooks, and great looking wings, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.